Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today, as you have seen on my title, this is going to be another unboxing video. What's new? But today it's just going to be another, extra special because I'm going to unbox my very first ever Louis Vuitton bag, which I purchased for myself. I did save up for this for months and I'm just so excited and I'm very grateful that I'm able to purchase this bag for myself. And yeah, and this one is the Speedy Bandouliere 25 in Damier Ebene print or in canvas. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So the bag came in this iconic orange packaging with this royal blue string. So it comes in this very huge bag, and let me just take out the box for you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So I just put the bag the bag right behind me because why not? I just want to be vain for now, just for this video. So here comes the revelation. And the packaging looks like that. It looks a little bit thin, and that's how big it is compared to my head. Just for a quick comparison, you can see that. And there you go. It comes in this royal blue ribbon, very iconic, and it has this thing here where you could put like a note if you wanna like give this as a gift for someone or for yourself. And yeah, let me go ahead and unravel this thing. So here we go. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Okay. And there goes the ribbon with the side note here. Let me just take a look at it, what's inside here. So it just basically that, and then there's this little envelope here with, I'm sure, like a little card. Oop. I'm sure it's nothing anyway, but yeah, sure, whatever, just put that in the side here. So here comes the bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I mean, I was in the the store a while ago, but it feels different when you're actually about to unbox it for yourself. So there it goes. So it comes in this magnetic closure. Okay. And oh my gosh. Okay. Well, the guy didn't pack it properly, so I'll do it myself anyway. So there we go. Okay, and here comes the dust bag. And let me just put this on the side. Okay. Right, here we go. Okay, here is the bag. This is the dust bag. I wish the bag or the dust bag comes in a bigger dust bag, because if I do want to I don't know, pack it or store it, I wish they have it in a bigger dust bag. But anyway, double do for now. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. You guys, so unreal. So it looks like in a pancake shape, which is the usual. And as I mentioned, this is the Damier Ebene print in the size 25. And let me just undo that, open it up. Here we go, guys. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. So pretty. Here we go. Okay, I just wanna do a little bit of another inspection because I did that while I was in the store, and he showed me this first bag which has this little like spot or a mark around here, and I did mention to him that there's this mark that I saw, so I do want to get like a different bag. So he showed me this, and this one seems like perfect for me, and there's no damage or anything like that because this is a huge purchase, guys. It's like 1,000 euros and something, so you do want to check the bag first before actually purchasing it. And yeah, so there it is. And so you see like loads of well, not really loads, but just a few Louis Vuitton on it, which is perfect for me because I don't want it to be like, you know, like screaming Louis Vuitton. I don't like that. And it comes in like a one whole piece of canvas around, and as you can see, if I flip that around, the Louis Vuitton sign is kind of like upside down, which means like this is the back part of the bag. So this is the front with the readable Louis Vuitton sign right here. There's two here, and then yeah, I think that's it. There's only two in the front. I'm so excited. So to those of you who do not know, this part here is just canvas, and then the leather parts are just the handle right here, and then the ones on the side, this side here, and also this side here. And mine actually is made in France, which is great. And yeah, so this is the bandouliere, meaning it comes in the strap. And let me just show that to you guys. So this is the zipper right here, which has LV on both sides. And let me just unzip that for you. Okay, and it has this red interior, which is quite big. And honestly, when I was in the store a while ago, I mean this afternoon, I was actually surprised that 25 is not that big. I mean small, because I've watched millions and thousands and millions of unboxing on YouTube, and I felt like 25 is just the perfect size for me. But like seeing it in person, I was like, oh, it can be that small. So I was actually quite hesitant on which one to buy, either the 30 or the 25. But I was with my boyfriend a while ago, and he told me that 30 is could work for me. But if I do want to carry it on my shoulder or as a shoulder bag, it looks pretty big. So I just went for this size, which is a 25, and yeah, it's fine for me. And this is the main problem here, guys, because a lot of people complain about the mouth of the 25, which is pretty small, and I actually do agree that, I mean, you have to like work your way in to put your stuff in and out. And so let me just show you the strap, and it comes in this strap comes in 3 different parts. This is 1, 2 in the middle, and then 3. So the middle part here, you can actually take that off, which I asked, which is so funny because when I was in the store this morning, or in this afternoon, I asked my assay if he could take the middle part off, and he was like, I didn't know you could do that. I just laughed at it because it's just weird, you know. He's supposed to know everything, but yeah, he was surprised, but he did for me. And then yeah, I like how it looked like on me, so I'll show you a video of me when I was shopping it or trying it on in the shop. So here's the strap, and it also comes with a, sorry, let me just put that on my bed there. It also comes with a lock and key, which is in the white little pouch there. It should be in here. And it comes in this very cute little dust bag, a drawstring dust bag. And let me just quickly show that to you guys. So here it is, and there's this 2 cute small keys with just numbers here. Mine says 313. I don't know if it's different to some people's bags, but mine says 313 on it. And then here is the lock. Oh, it's so pretty. It has Louis Vuitton there, and then LV on the other side. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Louis Vuitton Paris there. And then just try and unlock it. Oh, it also says 313 here at the bottom. Okay, oh, there you go. Oh, okay, so I'm not sure where to put that. Some people put it here, but I don't think I'm gonna put it there because I don't want to be like, you know, rubbing the zipper, and I don't have to think of that. I'll just take that off for now. So let's get back to the bag. Here's the inside. It's very spacious, guys. So here is the inside pocket with also the gold zipper, and then just unzip that. Of course, it's that very iconic buttery zipper, and there's something in there, yeah, which is the coating and whatever and whatnot. So it just says there, Louis Vuitton coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and then just the code there. And that's that one. So now, guys, let me just put the straps on the bag, and I will be showing you some mud shots when I have that on. Okay. So one there. And then just one here. Okay, looks like that. So now, guys, I'm gonna be showing you some mud shots on how this bag looks like on me. For your reference, I'm 4'11", and I have the 3 straps on the bag, and this is how it looks like on me. So it's just a little bit below my waist. This is where my waist is, and it looks like that. And I don't think I'm ever gonna use it in a crossbody bag because I just feel like it's so weird. I don't like the look of it, but that's how it looks like. And I'm gonna use it on the crook of my arm, like that. Let me try it on the other side. Just like that. And then let me just take the middle part off. And so this is how it looks like on me with only the with the 2 straps on. As you can see, it's so much better on me. It sits perfectly on my elbow right here, which is just perfect. And I'm gonna be wearing this bag like this. Now also guys, I have to let you know, well, I mean, to those of you who do not know, the straps for the new or newer models of the Speedies are now in matte, which means it is now less prone to scratching. And also this strap here, they're also matte, which is great because again, it's a €1,000 bag. I do want to like keep it forever, and I'm just really happy and I'm really excited to start wearing this bag, and I just can't believe I have it already. And there you go guys. So that's it guys for this unboxing video, and if you guys have any questions about this bag, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll be leaving all the details about this bag, the price and everything, and yeah, any questions I will be happy to help you guys. So in my next video I will be showing you what's in my bag, or because I did purchase an organizer for this bag, and I will be showing that for you guys as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.